Did you know Astrid never actually hated Hiccup when they first met? Sure, she's tough on him, beats him up, and is mean to him all the time, but if you look closer, there are subtle signs she cared from the very beginning. Like when Hiccup walks out after an embarrassing moment and the others laugh at him, Astrid doesn't. You can see it in her eyes that she feels bad. And later when she follows him and discovers Toothless, Toothless charges at her. She tells Hiccup to run and steps in front of the Night Fury ready to fight. She knows no one ever survived an encounter with the Night Fury, but still decides to throw herself between him and Hiccup. From her point of view, that was a sacrifice, not something you do for someone you hate.